All right, guys, and welcome to this particular video. So on this video, guys, we are going to be talking about Tria Card. All right, so I know in one way or the other you may have heard about Tria Card. On this particular video, we are going to be talking about what Tria Card is all about, and of course how you are going to be able to acquire your own. All right, so first and first, let's learn what is Tria Card. Okay, so Tria Card is actually, it's a kind of Visa powered debit card. Sometimes it can be MasterCard accepted as well. So this is actually a Web3 neobank, and of course a payment platform that actually offer varieties of help to the users. All right, so for example, you can use Tria Card to spend your crypto in real life. It is just like your ATM card. With your ATM card you can go to any POS agents to withdraw cash, or you can use your ATM card to sometimes make purchases on any store that has that machine called POS. Just the same thing is what Tria Card is like, because Tria Card is just like an ATM card. You can get your card shipped to you. They have the metal card and they have the plastic card. It comes with different prices. All right, so Tria Card is just like your regular ATM card. The only difference is that with your Tria Card you can spend over 1,000 different type of cryptocurrency in real life. So anywhere that Visa card is accepted, you can also use Tria Card over there. All right, so Tria Card is just like you using your normal ATM card to make purchases. That is what Tria Card is like. All right, so with the understanding of what ATM card is, you can put the same understanding to what Tria Card is. The only difference is that Tria Card allows you to spend crypto, all right, but your ATM card, you can only use it to spend your local currency. All right, so that is the major definition and the easiest definition of Tria Card that I can ever give. Okay, so on this particular video right now we are going to be talking about how we can be able to acquire Tria Card, and of course some of the latest updates surrounding Tria Card currently. So right now, by the time of making this video, Tria Card first snapshot has been taken. Unfortunate enough for us personally, I heard about Tria Card some time ago, but due to some reasons I couldn't acquire it, and right now I'm ready to acquire it. But the bad side of it to me and anybody out there who probably haven't acquired Tria Card is that the first snapshot has been taken, and as majority of you may have already know, there's going to be airdrop for people who already have Tria Card, because of course they have point system that allows you to gather points, and those points are later going to be converted to Tria tokens. All right, so Tria has actually partnered with a lot of big projects like Coinbase, because Coinbase recently announced that they have actually added it to their roadmap, meaning that it's going to be listed on Coinbase. And also there's other project like Billions that have already partnered with it. So acquiring your Tria Cards gives you a lot of benefits, and one other good side of having Tria Card is that whenever you are trying to make an online purchase, you can use your Tria Card details to purchase it anywhere that Visa is accepted. Anywhere around over 150 countries, you can use Tria Card as well to bypass it or to make any purchase that you want to make. Okay, so it is very simple, and this is the basic understanding and the simplest definition or explanation of Tria Card that I can give currently. So right now, diving into my phone right now, let's learn about how we can be able to acquire this Tria Card and what's involved. I'm going to be doing everything live right here on this video. All right, so make sure you watch the video till the end. Do not skip any parts. If you are new to my channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, on this particular channel I offer a lot of crypto related updates that's going to be helping you make money, position for crypto airdrop, and better understanding of crypto as well. I help you with that on this particular channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, look below the video you are watching right now. You are going to be seeing the subscription button down there. You are going to see the subscription button down there. Click on it to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also click on the like button to like this video if you find it interesting, and make sure to share the video, drop an interesting comment. That actually motivates me so much. Okay, so right now, with that being said, guys, let's now dive deep into the major business of the day, which is of course how we can be able to acquire our Tria Card. Okay, so overhead it says get the Tria Card get the Tria credit card and get 800 billion build. This is actually a build token. So if you go to the Billion Network dashboard, you are going to be seeing that there are a lot of things that's going to be helping you. When you acquire Tria Card, you are going to be getting 5 bill, and of course when you activate it, you get 800 bill and $10 upon card activation. So with that being done, let's now continue with our registration. Okay, so over here, trying to purchase the Tria Card through the website, this is where you are going to be brought to. First, they are going to be asking you if you want to download their app or if you want to continue with the browser. So I'm going to be continuing with the app. So I will click on this first one. I'm going to be taken to the Play Store where I'm going to be downloading the app automatically. So over here, give it a little time to load up. All right, so I'm going to be trying my best to make sure the video is as short as possible. Already I've downloaded the app, that is why it went straight in. If you haven't downloaded the app, they are going to be taking you to the Play Store where you need to download the app first before they will bring you right here. Okay, so first thing, you need to click on the get started button down below. You click on it, they're going to be asking you your account you want to continue with. I will select Google, okay, because of course I'm using an Android device. If you're using an iPhone, you select continue with Apple. Okay, so over here I will select my account. Upon selecting my account, I will allow it to load up completely, and in just a matter of time I will click on continue, and right now automatically our account is going to be getting connected right now. And from here they are going to be asking us to connect our wallet, I guess. So you can see logging in and signing up right now. Just allow it to continue. I'm going to be trying my best to make sure the video is as short as possible. Okay, just give it a little time to load completely. Okay, right now, first of all, this is of course the first thing you're going to be seeing after logging in with your email. So over here right now, this is of course my Tria name. I want to edit this. Okay, I want to be using my popular username. Okay, sorry, need to make sure you don't make any mistake right here. Of course, this is my popular username, so I'll be going with it. Right now I'm going to be earning 100 XP. So over here I will click on create account. So like I already may have said, the first snapshot has been taken, meaning that whatever action you are taking right now is counting towards the season 2. Of course, the season 2 is starting just 24 hours after the first snapshot has been taken. And right now you can see I have got 100 XP right now. So over here right now, you are now officially in the game. Spend, refer, level up, and unlock sweet reward. Every move counts. Now over here, for everything that I do right here, I'm earning reward for it. Okay, so right now where I click on you can see these are ways to actually get this XP. I'll click on continue right now. Enable touch ID. I will enable my touch ID. Okay, this is going to allow me to log in using fingerprint. Okay, so we are done. I will click on close. Get instant notification. I will enable the notification to get in. They will be notifying me on whatever new update. So this is the first interface you are going to be seeing right now. Welcome to Tria Start Demo. A quick guide to help you explore the Tria app like a pro, get to know the feature. Let me check this out. Okay, so they're now teaching me what I need to know right here. Access system by tapping on your profile. Okay, navigate to different section in the app. Okay, next check all your reward here. Okay, so they are actually taking us through what we need to know right now. So over here they are now trying to teach us some of the stuffs about the Tria app. So it is just like your Visa app. You can see spend online, withdraw through ATM. You can also use this to withdraw through ATM. You can just imagine how far we have gone on Web3. Withdraw through ATM, earn up to 6% cash back, meaning that every time you spend, you actually earn 6% back. That's just crazy. Now, view other benefits and get your card now. Compare card. Okay, when I click on compare card, they're going to be showing you different cards. So they have the virtual card. This is like, you can't touch it. It is virtual, meaning that you can't actually touch it. So this one's actually going for, I think it has a price. So, but when you buy this, you're actually getting 1000 XP plus 1x multiplier. So this it has zero deposit fee on over 1000 plus coin, zero Tria FX fee, 1.5% cashback. So this is for the virtual one. And we come over here to signature. This actually offers 2x multiplier and it gives you 5000 XP. And of course, it has other benefits right now. You can get this for about I can't really remember the price of this one, but the last one right here, gives you 3 XP, and it gives you 1000 it gives you 3x multiplier, 1000 XP, and of course you can see 6% cash back. Each time you spend, you get 6% back. All right, this signature actually gives you 4.5% back. Okay, so right now let's apply for this first one, because this is actually going to be costing us about $20, I guess. I will click on apply right now. You can see before you continue, you can have multiple Tria Card under any one account. Please select the country for which you hold residential document or legal document for KYC verification. Select any other country result in your KYC being rejected and will not be eligible for refund. You cannot activate card on more than one Tria account. KYC for a second account will be rejected, meaning you can only have one account, right? So I will click on continue right now. Let me just select my details right here. For example, I'm in Nigeria, so I have to select Nigeria, be honest with them, okay? So we have promo code. I think this promo code is actually when you are referred by someone, I think. Apply promo code. I'll just apply the code of the person that actually referred me. So okay, this is wrong. I don't actually know how to apply this promo code, to be honest. Apply promo code. Okay, invalid promo code. I think I'm gonna have to figure this out very soon. Okay, apply promo code. I don't know the promo code. So this is actually going to be costing about $20. I won't proceed with this. I'm gonna have to figure out the promo code. I'll be updating you guys as well, okay, before I continue with this. But going back to the home button, home, you can see this is my balance, it's 0 right now. I'm going to need to fund my account, because when you fund the account, that is when you can of course spend and buy any card of your choice. And of course we have cash back. This is where it shows, this is your SP, this is where it shows, and this is where you actually see your referral points. For example, refer your friend and earn up to $45, meaning that if I copy this code right now, and of course everyone that I refer, the more they purchase, the more I tend to earn, I think. And of course right here, let me try and figure it out completely right on this particular video. Okay, just bear with me. Oh my god, where am I? Okay, I will come back right here. I'm currently on the Tria app, right? Just bear with me. I will sign in using my fingerprint, and we should be good to go right now. Remember, we are now on the season 2, okay? We are no longer on the season 1. So those that did this earlier have already, they are first, and the snapshot has been taken, and whatever you are doing right now is counting towards the season 2. So right now on the main interface, you can see the season 2 is actually going to be starting in around 20 hours, okay? So, and whatever you're doing right now is counting towards season 2. You can see you can even book flights, you can book hotel with this, and a lot of things are actually involved right here. I think it is a nice idea to gain some hands on this, but remember, this is just entertainment and educational purpose only video. This video doesn't serve as a financial advice in any way. Whatever you are doing, you are completely responsible for it. You won't blame anyone. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't even have any license that qualifies me to be a financial advisor, okay? So this is just for educational and entertainment purpose only, okay? So this is all you need to know right now about Tria. Remember, they have their airdrop coming, and a lot of projects are also going to be dropping their token to people with a Tria account, and of course Tria account KYC, and virtual accounts and stuff like that. So try and get your hands on it if you care. And of course, remember, this is just for educational and entertainment purpose only video, okay? So this is all you need to know right now, and I think this video has actually served enough, and it's already long enough. I'll be talking to you guys on the next update dropping very soon. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and I'll be talking to you on the next video dropping very, very soon.